Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the xy plane above, ABCDEF is a regular hexagon with a side of 2. What is the x-coordinate of E? Okay, in the given figure, we have to find the x-coordinate of the point A over here. And ABCDEF is a regular hexagon with the side length of 2. Okay, here this AF is one of the sides of this hexagon. So since it's a regular hexagon, all the sides will be equal in length. So the length of this side is 2 and the length of this side EF is also 2. Okay, here we have the coordinates of point over here, particularly the x-coordinate is 3. So then we have the value 3 on the x-axis over here. Now to get the value on the x-axis corresponding to the point F, I have to add these 2 to this 3, then I'm getting 5 over here. Okay, now let me draw a vertical line from point E to the x-axis. Since it's a vertical line, it intersects x-axis at right angle. And here, this angle is the exterior angle of this regular hexagon. To get the measure of an exterior angle of any regular polygon, we have to divide 360 degrees by the number of sides. Since it's a regular hexagon, it has 6 sides, so I have to divide it by 6. Then I'm getting 360 degree by 6. I'm getting 60 degrees. So this is the measure of one exterior angle of this regular hexagon. So that is the measure of this angle. So let me mark it over here, 60 degrees. Now let's consider the right triangle. We have over here, in this right triangle, this angle measure is 60 degrees. This is right angle 90 degrees. Then this angle has to be 30 degrees. So clearly it's a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle over here. In 30, 60, 90 special right triangle, usually we consider the side which is opposite to the smallest angle measure as the shortest leg. So here this is the side opposite to the smallest interior angle 30 degrees. Then we have to assume the length of this leg as x. Then the length of the next longer leg which is opposite to 60 degree angle measure has to be the length of the shortest leg times square root of 3, that is x times square root of 3, and the length of the hypotenuse, that is the side of the right triangle which is opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse has to be the length of the shortest leg times 2, that is 2x. Always we have to remember this stuff in 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. Okay, here we got the length of the hypotenuse of this triangle in terms of x, that is 2x. Already we have the length of the hypotenuse of this right triangle, that is 2. So this 2x and 2, both of them represent the same stuff. That is the length of the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So they must be equal. That is 2x equals to 2. Let me divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. Then we get x equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, here I got the value of x. Now we can replace this x by the value that is 1. Okay, let me write over here 1. Okay, the length of this line segment is 1. Already we know that we have the value 5 on the x-axis over here, and we know that the length of this segment is 1. Then what value will have over here? So that is 5 positive 1, that is 6. Okay, so we have value 6 on the x-axis corresponding to the point E. So this value 6 is the x-coordinate of the point E, and we find this value 6 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.